Hello everyone, this is our third lecture of Statistics Unit 1 as we have covered a basics of Poisson distribution in earlier lecture and hope you are all doing enough practice of it. Let's move on the second part of our Unit 1, hypergeometric distribution. First we have to understand what is a hypergeometric distribution. Part B, hypergeometric distribution. What is the hypergeometric distribution? The hypergeometric distribution, when an event or a situation can be divided into two ways. It's either it's a failure or it's a success. First basic condition is that when we experiment or any situation, the result can be divided into two ways, either in success or failure, and the probability of the success changes from trial to trial. That means each and every result of the event, its result we get is different each and every trial. So basic two conditions. First is we have to divide into two ways, success or failure, and its success chances or a probability of the success changes from trial to trial. And the third condition is the trial should be repeated for the fixed number of times. When three basic conditions are satisfied, we have to apply the hypergeometric distribution. Which are the basic conditions? First, two categories, success and failure. Third, its success probability of the success changes from trial to trial. And third, the trial should be repeated for the fixed number of times. What is the formula of the hypergeometric distribution? P of x is equals to mcx into nc r minus x upon m plus nc r. What is the formula? Pf is equals to mcx into ncr minus x upon m plus ncr. Here x will be 0, 1, 2, 3 as per r. Let's understand this formula with the help of the illustration. Let's start with the illustration number 1. What is the illustration number 1? There are 7 red and 4 white balls in a urn. 3 balls are taken from it, one after other. Find the probability that the 2 balls are red and 1 ball is white. Second, all balls are red. Third, all balls are from the same color. First, 2 balls are red and 1 ball is white. In urn we have 7 balls red. Out of that we have to take 2 balls, and in urn we have 4 white balls. Out of that we have to take 1 ball. Right, and in urn total we have 7 plus 4, 11 balls. So P of x is equals to mcx plus ncr minus x upon m plus ncr. Right? M stands for red ball, N stands for white balls. Out of 7 red balls, we have to take 2 red balls. Sorry, here it's multiplication. Out of 4 white balls, we have to take 1 white ball. So 4C1. Out of total 7 plus 4, 11. And in together we have to select a 3 ball, 2 red ball and 1 white ball. 2 plus 1, 3. Right? Hope you all know how to solve the combination 7C2 into 4C1 upon 11C 3. 7c2 is equals to 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Answer is 21. What is the answer of 4c1? 4c1 is equals to 4 factorial 1 factorial upon 3 factorial. Answer is 4. Let's solve 11c3. 11c3 is equals to 11 factorial 3 factorial 11 minus 3 8 factorial. Answer is 165. We got all the values of 7c2 is equals to 21, 4c1 is equals to 4 and 11c3 is equals to 165. We have to put in this equation. So 7c2, that means 21 into 4 upon 165. 21 into 4 upon 165. Answer is 0.5090. 0.5090. Let's solve the second condition. What is the second condition? All balls are red. All balls are reds. So we have to collect 3 balls. 3 of them should be red. So out of 7 red balls, we have to take 3 balls. All 3. Into white ball is equals to 0 upon 11c3. We have 4c0 is equals to 1. So we did not write here. So we directly write 7c3 upon 11c3. As we all know, we have already calculated the value of 11c3. Only we have to calculate 7c3. 7c3 is equals to 7 factorial upon 3 factorial upon 4 factorial is equals to 35. So answer is 35 by 165. 35 by 165. Answer is 0.212. Right? Let's solve the third condition. What is the third condition? All balls are same color. What is the meaning of that? Either 3 of them balls are either red or white. 3 balls are red, all the 3, or all the 3 balls are white. Whenever or it's come in the equation or the kind of the statement, we put plus. We put plus. All the balls are red. So out of 7 red balls, we have to take 3 balls plus all the white ball, 4 white ball out of 3 upon 11c3. We all know the value of 7c3 and 4c3 and 11c3. 7c3 is equals to 35 plus 4c3 is equals to 4 and 11c3 is 165. What is the answer? 39 by 165. 39 by 165. 39 by 160. 0.236. Let's solve the illustration number 2. What is illustration number 2? Let's understand. A transport company has 8 Maruti car and 6 Fiat cars. So M will be Maruti car and 6 N for Fiat car. If 5 cars are on hire, so R will be 5. Find the probability that all of them, first condition, 3 are Marutis and 2 are Fiats. Second condition, at least 3 are Marutis, and third condition, all are the Marutis. Here we have to solve the 3 situation and we have to find out the probability. Let's start one by one. We are solving the equations. First, 3 are Marutis and 2 Fiats, right? So we have 8 Marutis and 6 Fiats, and out of this we have to select 5. According to the first situation, 3 are Maruti and 2 are Fiat. So equation will be, out of 11 Marutis we have to select 3, 8C3, and 2. Out of 6 Fiat we have to select 2, 6C2, upon total 8 plus 4, 14. Total car will be selected 5, C5. Right? So you have to solve the value of 8C3 into 6C2 upon 14C5. As we done in earlier sum, 8C3 is equals to 8 factorial, 3 factorial upon 5 factorial. Answer is 56. In 6C2, 6C2 is equals to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial. What is the answer? Answer is 15. For 14C5. 14C5 is equals to 14 factorial upon 5 factorial upon 9 factorial is equals to, what is the answer? Answer is 2002. All the values we have put in this equation. So 56 into 15 upon 2002. What is the answer? 56 into 15 upon 2002. Answer is 0.4195. 0.4195. Right? Let's solve the second condition. What is the second condition? At least 3 are Marutis. What does it mean? કે 3 કાર મારુતિની તો હોવી જ જોઈએ. 3થી વધુ હશે તો ચાલશે, પણ એટલીસ્ટ 3 તો હોવી જ જોઈએ. ટોટલ મારુતિની કેટલી કાર છે? 8 કાર છે. આપણે સિલેક્ટ કેટલી કરવાની છે? 5. બરાબર છે? તો 5 કારમાંથી 3 અથવા 3થી વધારે મારુતિની તો હોવી જ જોઈએ. તો 3 કાર મારુતિની અથવા 4 કાર મારુતિની અથવા 5 મારુતિની હોઈ શકે. બરાબર છે? 3 કાર મારુતિની, 4 કાર મારુતિની અથવા તો 5 મારુતિની. આ 3 પોસિબિલિટીઝ છે. બરાબર છે? હવે આપણે ટોટલ કેટલી સિલેક્ટ કરવાની છે? 5 કાર. એનામાંથી 3 કાર મારુતિની હોય તો સાથે 2 કઈ આવશે? ફિયાટની. બરાબર છે? ઓર કા આ એક ઓપ્શન છે. બરાબર છે? હવે બીજો ઓપ્શન, 4 મારુતિની હોય તો ઓટોમેટિકલી ફિયાટની કેટલી આવશે? 1. ઓર થર્ડ ઓપ્શન, 5 કાર મારુતિની હોય અને ફિયાટની કેટલી હોય? 0. સમજાણું? એટલીસ્ટ 3 કાર આર મારુતિ. તો 3 કાર તો મારુતિની હોવી જ જોઈએ. 3થી વધારે હશે તો ચાલશે. તો 3થી વધારે કેટલી હોઈ શકે? તો ટોટલ આપણે 5 સિલેક્ટ કરવાની છે. તો 3 હોઈ શકે, અથવા તો 4 હોઈ શકે, અથવા તો 5 હોઈ શકે. बराबर है। अगर 3 कार मारुतिनी हशे तो ऑटोमेटिकली 2 कार फियाटनी हशे, 4 कार मारुतिनी हशे तो 1 कार फियाटनी हशे। एवी ज रीते 5 मारुतिनी हशे तो फियाटनी 1 पण कार हशे नहीं। तो हवे आ 3 ऑप्शन छे, बराबर है। अने त्रणेयनी वचमां शुं छे? और। तो आ इक्वेशननुं स्टेटमेंट लखाशे, आ इक्वेशननुं स्टेटमेंट लखाशे, आ इक्वेशननुं स्टेटमेंट लखाशे अने आ त्रणेयनी वच्चे शुं छे? और। तो शुं थशे? मैं तमने आगळ ज कीधुं और माटे शुं आवे? प्लस, बराबर है। तो टोटल पहला तो आनु जोई लईए। केटली कार छे टोटल आपणी पासे? 8। मारुतिनी केटली छे? 8। आउट ऑफ दैट वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 3। फियाटनी केटली कार छे? 6। आउट ऑफ विच वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 2, राइट। तो 8C3 into 6C2. Similarly for this 8C4 into 6C1, right. Here 8C5 into 6C0 અને ત્રણે ઇક્વેશનની વચ્ચે શું છે? ઓર એટલે પ્લસ। તો આ ત્રણે ઇક્વેશનનો શું થશે? પ્લસ। તો એને કઈ રીતે લખશું? તો કે આ રીતે 8C3 into 6C2 plus 8C4 into 6C1 plus 8C5 into 6C0 upon मेन इक्वेशन में तो है m प्लस n CR, बराबर है। तो टोटल के 14C5 तो आवशे ज, बराबर है। ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट्स नो आपणे शुं गोतशुं? वेल्यू गोतशुं, वेल्यू पुट करशुं अने आंसर मेळवशुं, बराबर है। After doing the basic calculation of the various combinations equation, we get 56 into 15 plus 70 into 6 plus 56 into 1 upon 2002. Let's solve it. So we get 840 plus 420 plus 56 upon 2002. We get the answer 13,016 by 2002. What will be the answer? 13 by 16 divided by 2002. 0.6573. Let's solve the third condition. All the cars are Maruti. એટલે બધી બધી કાર કેવી હોય? મારુતિની. ફિયાટની એક પણ કાર હોય નહીં. તો out of 8 Maruti car we have to select all of them are Maruti. There is no Fiat car. So 14C5. 8C5 we have already calculated 56 upon 2002. 56 upon 2002. Answer is 0.0279.